Every day, our bodies are under attack. Pollution, cigarette smoke, stress, poor diet. They all bombard our systems, causing the breakdown of molecules into free radicals, unstable molecules in search of a stabilizing electron. Free radicals result in premature aging, low energy, lack of mental clarity, and improper functioning of the immune system. For years, Nature's Sunshine's Tygo has been protecting your health with its 11 powerful free radical-fighting antioxidant ingredients. We are proud to announce that Tygo has just gotten even better, with the addition of 2 new superfruits, pomegranate and acai berry. With the addition of these ingredients, Tygo has strengthened its position as the best antioxidant drink on the planet. Its combination of high ORAC value, bioflavonoid power, and xanthone content, along with great taste, make Tygo your best defense against cellular damage.